Well, welcome back, everyone. It was an incredible day in markets on the heels of some powerful insights that we provided in videos just like these in the last several days. You've heard about straightforward strategies. I'm going to show you some straightforward strategies with a toolkit that's on screen. Cyan dot under the candle, buy signal. If it appears with the right positioning of the momentum crossover dot in the subchart, exceptional. And that was the right positioning for that weekly chart. We've been in an uptrend. The market's still in an uptrend. The pullback today saw price action come down and test the weekly slow speed line, but bounce back up and close just a smidge under the fast speed line, making it to a target 2 on the weekly time frame. On a daily time frame, getting past that target 2, and of course, seeing the negative action come from that CPI print this morning, which is something that we'd called out as a likely outcome to members going back several days, going back into last week, and recording it in videos just like these. Now, there's no sell signal on the daily chart. We're still in an uptrend. And even if we get a sell signal, we're still in an uptrend. The channel shows us that. We've got a negative momentum shift. You can see that by the subchart dot right there. And that, coupled with prices being below the speed lines on the daily and getting a sell signal officially on the first 4-hour bar for the market today, puts us in a spot where the dip down into this rising channel and the bounce back up has not fully cleared itself. Now, if we see price action get back above the top of the first 4-hour bar, that can potentially offer a re-entry, similar to the sell signal we got right there that took prices down, tested the channel, and as we bounced up, getting above the top bar of that top price point of that bar, off we go. A fresh re-entry. Now, I'm going to take the time frame down just a smidge, and what you should see here very clearly is we've made it through a target 2 on the 1-hour chart, and we're in a bounce into the end of the day, but we're in a downtrend now. Now, the fact that we've made it to a target 2 means that we may be done, but is there still negative momentum left down there? Yes, there is. And there is now the potential for a continuation up, test the channel. But until we've got a true momentum shift, we're in the spot where likely a little bit more weakness before a bounce back up can play out. Now, that is an insight from big to small in terms of time frame. Tomorrow, I'm going to be coming straight to you live with an incredible workshop that you'll be able to attend at 10 a.m. Eastern Time. And that workshop is going to show you how I use these incredibly powerful tools built by 32-time international domestic trading champion Rob Hoffman in my own trading, and how I combine them with the incredible tools on wealth charts. Looking forward to sharing these strategies with you, and of course, getting you in shape for what may come ahead, which we see as a very tradable and potentially volatile market. Have an incredible rest of your day and see you tomorrow. Simply go to becomebettertrader.com/yes. Get your seat now while they last. Have a great rest of your day. Looking forward to seeing you in the workshop tomorrow. Bye for now.